Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roux for soup. First, understand that a roux is a fundamental thickening agent created by cooking equal parts fat and flour. This simple mixture forms the base for countless creamy soups and rich sauces. The cooking time determines its color, which in turn influences its flavor profile and thickening power. Mastering this technique is key to many culinary delights. To begin, select your fat, typically butter or oil, and all-purpose flour. A good starting ratio is 1:1 by weight. For example, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour until a smooth paste forms. Continue cooking for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly until it reaches a pale, white color. This is your basic white roux. For a blonde roux, continue cooking for 3 to 5 minutes until it's a light golden color. A peanut butter-colored roux takes about 6 to 8 minutes, offering a nuttier flavor. For a deep, dark brown roux, you'll need to cook for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring continuously. Remember, darker roux provide richer flavor but have less thickening ability. Now for incorporating your roux into soup. The key is temperature contrast. Either whisk hot liquid into a cold roux or cold liquid into a hot roux. This prevents lumps and ensures a perfectly smooth, creamy consistency. Gradually add your broth or milk, whisking continuously until fully combined. Remember to check the description for a link to the Eau à la water bottle and other great deals. Finally, simmer your soup for at least 20 minutes to cook out any raw flour taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.